Want to build a personal air quality tracker that tells if your bedroom, your workshop, or workplace has adequate ventilation? Install the BME680 environmental sensor module on an Arduino and monitor every aspect of your indoor environment. The state-of-the-art BME680 breakout lets you measure temperature, pressure, humidity, and indoor air quality. And the best part is that it's Arduino compatible. The BME680 environmental sensor. At the heart of the module is the next-generation environmental sensor manufactured by Bosch, BME680. This small sensor has temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, and VOC gas, volatile organic compounds, sensing capabilities. It contains a small MOX, metal oxide, sensor. The heated metal oxide changes resistance based on VOCs in the air, so it can be used to detect gases and alcohols, such as ethanol, alcohol, and carbon monoxide, and perform air quality measurements. Therefore, the BME680 can work as a fully standalone environmental sensor. Like most gas sensors, this sensor is sensitive to multiple gases and alcohols, but cannot tell which is which. It will give you one resistance value, with overall VOC content. So it is best for measuring changes in a known gas density, not detecting which is changing. Like the BME280, this precision sensor can measure humidity with ±3% accuracy, barometric pressure with ±1 HPA absolute accuracy, and temperature with ±1.0 degrees Celsius accuracy. The pressure measurements are so precise, you can even use it as an altimeter with ±1 meter accuracy. What are volatile organic compounds, VOCs? Volatile organic compounds, VOCs, are emitted as gases from certain products we use to build and maintain our homes, such as air fresheners, cleaning products, cosmetics, fuel oil, gasoline, paint, varnishes, carpet, and vinyl flooring, etc. VOCs include a variety of chemicals, some of which may have short and long-term adverse health effects. Common examples of VOCs that may be present in our daily lives are benzene, ethylene glycol, formaldehyde, methylene chloride, tetrachloroethylene, toluene, xylene, and 1,3-butadiene. The module comes with a XC62006 3.3 volts precise voltage regulator and voltage level translator, so you can use it with your favorite 3.3 volts or 5 volts microcontroller without worry. The BME680 consumes less than 1 milliampere during measurements and only 0.15 microampere during sleep mode. This low power consumption allows the implementation in battery-driven devices such as handsets, wearables, or smartwatches. Digital interfaces. The sensor communicates via either I2C or SPI. How BME680 MEMS gas sensor works. Unlike MQ2 or MQ3, BME680 gas sensor is fabricated with micro-electromechanical system MEMS technology. MEMS-based gas detection provides dramatic size reduction, a reduction in power consumption, and the ability to increase functionality and selectivity. A typical MEMS gas sensor consists of a metal oxide semiconductor layer, sensing material, that reacts with the target gas, at least 2 electrodes to monitor the electrical resistance/current variations, and a micro hot plate to increase the operating temperature. When metal oxide semiconductor layer is heated at high temperature, oxygen is adsorbed on the surface. In clean air, electrons from the conduction band in metal oxide are attracted to oxygen molecules. This forms an electron depletion layer just below the surface of metal oxide particles and forms a potential barrier. As a result, the metal oxide layer becomes highly resistive and prevents electric current flow. In the presence of gases, however, the surface density of adsorbed oxygen decreases as it reacts with the gases, which lowers the potential barrier. Electrons are then released into the metal oxide layer, allowing current to flow freely through the sensor. BME680 module pinout. VCC is the power pin. You can connect it to 5 volts output from your Arduino. GND is the common ground for power and logic. SCL is the SPI clock pin. It's an input to the chip. SDA is the serial data in. SDI MOSI pin for data sent from your microcontroller to the BME680. SDO is the serial data out. SDO MISO pin for data sent from the BME680 to your microcontroller. CS is the chip select pin. Pull it low to enable an SPI communication. If you want to connect multiple BME680s to one microcontroller, have them share the SDI, SDO, and SCK pins and assign each one a unique CS pin. Preparing BME680 module for use. Prior to the first use of the sensor, it is recommended that you run it for 48 hours to burn in, and then 30 minutes in the desired mode every time the sensor is in use. The reason for this is that the sensitivity level of the sensor changes during initial use, and the resistance gradually increases as the MOX heats up to its baseline reading over time, and you are ready to use your BME680 sensor. If you like this 3D animation, please like and subscribe to Blue Butterfly for more awesome tech breakdowns. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.